All right, let's have a look at 8.04. Now this time we're going to be writing down the coordinates of the intercepts and the lines that have these equations by making y 0. But we're going to do both. We're going to make x 0 and y 0. And this is the great thing, because we know what the x equals 0 line is, and we know what the y equals 0 line is. So here, of course, were our axes, and we've got a point here. This, of course, is our x-axis and the y-axis, but of course the x-axis is the y is 0 line, and the y-axis is the x is 0 line. And this has significant import when we get to these ones here. Y is 2x minus 6. Let's have a look at that one. Y, 2x minus 6. Now, of course, we actually know what the intercept here is. It's going to be negative 6. But why is it negative 6? It's negative 6 because when we make x equal to 0, and here it is, y is equal to 2 times 0 minus 6, y is negative 6. So that's why when x is 0, here it is, x is 0, it's gone, y is negative 6. Here it is, negative 6. There's my negative 6. So let's find the x-axis doing the same thing. So to find where it crosses the y-axis, we make x 0. To find out where it crosses the x-axis, we make y equal to 0. So here's our equation. I'll do it again. Y is equal to 2x minus 6. I'll try not to scribble anything out this time. But this time we're going to make y equal to 0 to find x. So I put when y is equal to 0, here it is, 0 is equal to 2x minus 6. Now let's make x the subject. So I'm going to add 6 to both sides, plus 6 over here. So I've got, and I'll rewrite it the other way around because I've got 2x is equal to 2x is equal to 6. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 2. Here it is. And x is equal to 3. So what we've done now is we've found the x-intercept. There it is, x is 3. So now when we come to sketch this, we can draw straight through here. Here is our line, and this is the line of y is equal to 2x minus 6. All right, let's have another go at doing one of these. But all we did was we wrote down the equation. To find where it crosses the y-axis, we make x 0. And we find the y value. When we want to find where it crosses, so this is, I'll put here, for y-intercept, we make x 0 to find the y. Put for x-intercept, we make y 0 and we find x. All right, so we've got a coordinate here. This is going to be, we're going to have x 0, so the coordinate is 0, here it is 0, comma, minus 6. And this one here, we've got y, we've got x is 3, comma, 0, which is y. Let's do a different one. Here we go. So I'm going to choose one. Here we go. Let's choose, and notice, by the way, this is the gradient intercept form. These are, this is gradient intercept. Some of these are not gradient. This is the general equation. Look at that one there. Now the general equation is so incredibly useful. Let's do E. I love E. Watch this. 2x plus 5y equals 10. And we're going to do exactly the same thing, slightly different format. We've got 2x plus 5y is equal to 10. Now it's not easy just looking at this immediately and say, oh, that's what it looks like. You can't see the y-intercept. Or can you? If we made x 0, watch me making x 0. 5y is 10, so y, 5 times 2 must be 10. Let's do it the other way around. Cross out the y. So y is 0, it's gone. I've got 2 times something equals 10. Well, it must be 2 times 5 is 10. So let's go ahead and do that, but this time writing it out. So we're going to say for the y-intercept, we're going to make x equals 0. Yeah? Because when we draw this up, we know the x equals 0 line is where it crosses y, because the y-axis is the x equals 0 line. Well, let's have a look at that. So we're going to find the coordinate. So far we've got part of it. We've got x is 0, so it's going to be 0, comma something. We don't know what that something is. Let's substitute that in. We're going to have 2 times 0 plus 5 times y is 10. So we've got 5y is 10. I'm going to divide both sides by 5. And of course, y is equal to 10 on 5, which is 2. So it's going to be 0, 2. So we'll do that on the same axis, by the way. Here it is. Or should we? Yeah, we'll do it on the same axis. So we got 0 along, 2 up. Here it is. 0 along, 2 up. There is my first point. 0, 2. All right, let's find the other one. Let's do that's for the y-intercept. Let's go for the x-intercept. Of course, for the x-intercept, we make y equal to 0. So I've got 2x plus 5y is equal to 10. Make y is 0, so it's going to be 2x plus 0 is 10. 2x is 10, so I'm going to divide both sides by 2, and x is equal to 5. So we've got our coordinate, which is 5, 0. 5 along, call that 5, 0. There it is, and our gradient, or our graph, looks like that. And I'm going to draw on here the actual equation. Here's the equation, and it's going to be 2x plus 5y is equal to 10. And that's how I would go about solving those two. So hopefully that makes sense.